God has been good to us over the years, that you were a part of our history today, this morning, in this celebration of thanksgiving for God's mercies and goodness, that we are where we are today, wholly and solely by the grace of God.
After 50 years that God is faithful to this place.
If you open my heart, you can still find Calvary Baptist Church and Edwin Imperial thumbtacks inside my heart.
On behalf of Calvary Baptist Church Dubai, and we wish you have a happy 50 years anniversary. Quezon City, may the God upon you always, and God bless you all.
The best po ang gulaman dito.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Ako po si Governor Edsel Grex Nagman ng Albay, at ikinagagalak ko po mabigyan ng pagkakataon na batiin ang Church Calvary Baptist Church dito po sa Quezon City sa kanilang 50th year of course sa pagbibigay po ng magandang salita ng Diyos. At tayo rin po batiin ang aking kababayan, kapwa Albayano, walang iba po kundi si Pastor Edwin Imperial. So sa lahat po na kasapi, kasama at talagang namampalataya sa Calvary Church, maraming salamat po, and may you have more fruitful years ahead of you. Dekada, sana umabot pa ka ng isa pang set of 50 years po ang inyong magiging isang tunay na simbahan ng Diyos. Maraming salamat po. Diyos mabalos sa Sendo Gabos.
To my old friend, Edwin Imperial, God bless you as you celebrate your 50th year of the Calvary Baptist Church. I'm praying that God will bless you more, that God will give you good health, and the Lord will just be merciful to you and to your people. Again, let me congratulate you. Let me greet you a great 50th anniversary of the Calvary Baptist Church. God bless.
Again, thank you so much for coming. And the people of God said,